And then what happened was Bob Saget died, and then Louis died. And for some reason, I was drinking and also when I was coughing up blood.
Oh.
I had these chunks of curdled blood.
Oh.
Right, like a ball. And I had convinced myself that I had fucking cancer.
Oh.
And I always go, death comes in three. Not that I'm that big like those guys, but in my mind it's like I'm next.
Oh shit.
And I couldn't sleep. I couldn't eat. It was fucking terrible.
Oh fuck.
But then I got sober and things are fine.